The Mopar fan will be doing an oil change on a sweet 2018 Dodge Charger GT 3.6 liter. Tools of the trade today are car ramps or a 3-ton floor jack, 10mm socket, a 13mm socket, 24mm socket, a ratchet and an extension, and of course an oil drain pan. Let's get the Mopar on ramps, get under there and remove the 4 10mm bolts holding the underbody panel. After that, let's remove the oil fill cap and throw the oil pan under there. Use a 13mm socket, remove the drain plug and drain the oil into the pan. Let's go up top and remove the oil filter cap. Let's remove the old filter and the old gasket. Install the new gasket on the oil filter cap. Click in the new filter into the cap and install it into the oil filter housing. Now using the 24mm socket with extension, screw it back on. Installing the drain plug with a 13mm socket. After that, we're putting back the underbody panel with the 4 10mm bolts. Let's fill this baby up with 6 quarts of the recommended 5W20 synthetic. Install the oil fill cap, clean up. Time for a beer. Oh yeah!